Hey Love Bites! They're finally here, the Jelly Kiss from Colorette. I'm so excited for this. I got this in the shades Pebble, which is a a toasty tan, and also Squish, which is a soft peach. So these are normally the shades that I go for. Kung hindi man mga nude pinks, tan, also peach, diba? So I'm excited for this, pero medyo matagal-tagal ako nag-isip dito kasi I was really tempted to get Juju. Pero sabi ko, parang medyo marami na akong lippy na nasa shade range na yon. Kaya sabi ko, dito na lang muna ako sa Pebble. And I think naman, kung nagandahan ako dito, kukunin ko rin yung si Juju. Pero yun lang, nakita ko, sold out na siya ngayon. Buti na lang nakakuha pa ako. Kasi syempre, the moment na nag-5-5 na wala na silang na parang bula. Diba? So, first impression. Okay, eto na, the packaging. This reminds me so much of my Kiko Milano Hydra Gloss and Oil because of its shape. Diba? Ang na-notice ko lang na difference is parang metallic yata itong kay Colorette, yung loob. And I think a bit bigger yung aking Hydra Gloss from Kiko Milano. And then of course, na-maintain naman nila talaga yung brand color ni Colorette. So, alam mo yun, when you see Colorette, you'll already know it's Colorette because of the brand color, diba? So, yun naman sa part na na-maintain. Pero it's actually very classy to look at. And since it's slim, mas madali siyang bitbitin. And even sa mga small bags ko, kasi I've switched to mostly small bags, I think this is more friendly for my small bags. So, I'll do Squish muna on one side. Oh, so this is the applicator. Ayan. I believe parang Miss Nina was saying this is a slanted arrow. And the reason for that is para ma-reach na yung mga talagang dulo-dulong part. Diba? So, this is the shade Pebble. Oh. And, okay, meron siyang smell. Here's what. If you've been following me, alam nyo, hindi ako fan ng mga smell. Parang pwede, basta very faint smell. Just like my Summer Fridays. I love Summer Fridays, pero because of the smell, minsan, inaayawan ko siya, diba? So, yung color drip ni Colorette, yun yung favorite local lip oil ko. Pero may naaamoy pa din ako doon na minsan medyo strong yung smell. But I think that's just me. Kasi yung iba, okay lang naman sila. Sorry, ito pala si Squish. And then this one. Yung una ko na-swipe si Squish, I guess. And then this is Pebble. Yan, tama. Si Squish is the more peachy one. And then Pebble is the tan one. So, I wanna try Pebble sa sabi kasi wait for about a minute, diba? Para makuha mo yung shine. Okay. I think this applicator would allow you to also outline your lips. Yeah. Kasi for someone like me na minsan tamad mag-lip liner, so, pwede sa pang-outline. Oh, I love the applicator of this one. There, I love the color as well. Ito yung mga color na gusto ko ngayon. And by the way, I'm wearing MAC Gingerly on my cheek. So, I think this is such a good match. Diba? So, yan. Squish and Pebble. On my lips, this is Pebble. Mag-antay tayo saglit. But I already give my first impressions. So, number one, the packaging. I love the packaging. I feel like it's very classy and it's very easy to bit-bit, diba? Sa kahit na anong bag na dala mo or even sa pocket, diba? And then, the shade range, while I haven't seen everything, but I think it's on, I wouldn't say it's a wide range because hindi naman madami yung shades na available. But I would say they are on the more classic and yung mga talagang nababagayan kahit na anong skin tone. So, I think that works for me as a 40-year-old. Mas yun na lang yung mga shades na gusto mo, diba? Yung mas safer, more classic shades na parang timeless na hindi naluluma. And then, the formula, I love the formula. It's not sticky. It's also not heavy on the lips. While you would notice na talagang meron kang gamit na lippy, pero it's not heavy, it's not sticky. I could feel it to be a bit oily, but just the right amount of oiliness. Parang ganon. And then, yan. I like the shine. Hindi siya yung sobrang shiny na para kang kumain ng lechon, di ba? Yung tamang shine lang that really gives a classic vibe. And then, syempre, this shade, I really am loving this shade. And this is in the shade Pebble. I couldn't wait to try all the other shades before I would say na this is my favorite shade. Pero so far, I'm loving this. I would wear test this for about a week to find out if I would have dried lips with this. Kasi some lippy, especially the local ones, gustong-gusto ko yung color, gustong-gusto ko yung formula initially. But after a day or two of use, wala, nagka-crack na yung lips ko. Kasi I have very sensitive skin and lips. So, diba, tingnan natin kung ganun nga yung mangyayari. So now, I wanna try Squish. Diba? Diyan lang kayo. Mag-i-erase lang ako. Hey, Love Bite! So, this is the stain that Pebble leaves on your lips. Yan, Pebble yung nandun kanina. When swatch, also, and then pag na-wipe out mo, this is the stain that it leaves. This is Pebble, and this is Squish. So, now I'll try Squish on my lips. Oh, I love this. I really love the applicator kasi I have relatively thin lips. So, minsan parang ang laki ng applicator for me, but this one I think this is just so perfect. And tama si Miss Nina, yung talagang arrow shape niya really reaches yung talagang yung pinakadulong part ng mga lips nyo. And at the same time, it's really perfect for outlining kung ayaw mo mag-lip liner. I love this shade. Honestly, I was expecting mas gusto yung Pebble. I love Pebble, pero mas gusto ko to. There. So, diba, this is Squish on the lips. Ganda. Ang ganda ng shade. Alam mo yung mommy vibes, pero yung mapormang mommy. gusto niya yun. Diba? Because who said naman na tayo mga 40 years old ay hindi pwedeng pumorma. We should always look good pa din. So, yan. So, Colorette, I love this. This is such a good product that you've released. Very competitive even sa mga high-end na mga brands, diba? I'm really loving how the local brands have upped their game. So, good job to Colorette, good job to Miss Nina, and I hope you guys can also try this. This is a good buy. This is really a good buy. Yun lang. Bye!